Hello everyone and welcome to News Now with me, Avan Dabash. Let's take it straight to the global markets. The major Asian indices are trading on a positive note, but some of them have failed to hold on to their gains. Do remember, Europe closed lower just yesterday as investors continue to follow developments coming in from the Middle East. For the US markets, the Dow Jones snapped its 6-day losing streak. The nasdaq continued to decline for a third straight day. Very quiet though. And you had the Federal Reserve Chair, Jerome Powell, that hinted at prolonged elevated interest rates. So that's pretty much the move on Tuesday. Last evening, it was a quiet close with a mild negative bias for the global markets. Meantime, you've also got Brent crude oil prices hovering around $90 per barrel. Gold continues to remain on the upside with a 1% gain. And you had copper as well, which is continuing its gaining streak. The volatility index across the globe at about 18.4. And let's talk of our own markets then. It was another day of declines, actually third straight day that we've declined for the Nifty. You had us closing below the 22,000 mark with top drags including an Innocent Bank as well as Infosys. Let's get in Anisha then to wrap up the day's trading action. Anisha.
The markets ended on a bit of a weak note. The Nifty was threatening to go below the mark of 22,100 at one point of time. Bank Nifty was down over 300 points and the mid-cap index also, slipped into the red. However, by the end of the trading session, there was a bit of a recovery, across the board, and at least the broader markets managed to show a bit of a green by the end of the trading session. Sectorally speaking, it was clearly IT which was the weakest link in the market. So whether it was Infosys, which was down over 3% ahead of its earnings, Wipro, which was down in trading session ahead of its earnings on Thursday, even the likes of LTIMindtree, which was reacting negatively to the slew of top exits that we have seen at the company, and broader market names, the likes of Coforge, Emphasis, they were all coming under pressure. What really stood out today was Excite and Amara Raja yet again. For Excite, there was another thumbs up coming in from Nomura, so that stock was in focus, and we also saw a bit of a rub-off impact on the likes of Amara Raja. In terms of the other news flow, we are watching out for Jio Financial Services on account of their wealth and brokerage foray. Even HDFC AMC was in focus on account of an upgrade coming in, and then the likes of Bharti Hexacom on account of that Jeffries initiation, DOMS on account of that Nuvama initiation. All of these stocks were in focus. So a lot of big buzzers in the trading session. A couple of auto names like Eicher Motors were holding in the green. There was those big announcement made by Kumar Mangalam Birla on account of the Birla Group. So some of those stocks were in focus. So a lot of big buzzers in the trading session, even Vodafone Idea as the anchor book opened. So a lot of those buzzers in the trading session, but a bit on a somber note is where the markets ended.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.